OpenAI recently released the Agents SDK, allowing you to build multi-agents to create UIs for your OpenAI agents. You can use platforms like Chainlit. You can also use Gradio. The last platform is Streamlit. Before we create a UI to interact with the OpenAI agent, let's run a very basic example through the command line. So I'll go to the terminal and run the file. Before I run the file, we have this prompt for this example. So we have a response from the model. Next, we have the generated SwiftUI code with an explanation. To use Chainlit to build a UI for your OpenAI agent, you need to install it with this command. So in this file, we build the Chainlit-based interface to interact with the AI agent. We make this import and also initialize the agent in the same way as the previous example. We add a decorator to respond to the user's message asynchronously. Finally, we add another decorator to start a new chat session. To run the file, we use the command chainlit run followed by the file name. We now have a beautiful Chainlit interface to interact with the AI agent. So by using the same prompt, I'm going to send it. We now have a response from the agent, as well as the generated SwiftUI code, and also an explanation. To create another UI to run the agent using Gradio, we need to install Gradio using this command. Next, we add the Gradio interface in our project by adding all these imports. Then we initialize the agent. So we add these functions to process the user's prompt. And over here, we add the actual Gradio interface. Then we add a button to handle the user query submission. We can now go to the terminal and run the file with Python 3 followed by the file name. So the app is now available on the local host at port 7860. I'll command click it to open it in the browser. And over here, we can add the same prompt and submit it. So we have a response from the agent as well as the generated code with an explanation. To create a Streamlit UI to interact with the AI agent, we should install Streamlit with this command. Then in the Cursor project, we add the required imports, create the agent in the same way, and also add a text input to receive the user prompt. In the terminal, we can run the file using the command streamlit run followed by the file name. So I'll press the return key. That opens our Streamlit interface. And over here, we can change the hard-coded prompt and add a new one. Then we submit it. So that shows the response from the agent and a beautiful generated code with an explanation.